Alright traders, I'm recording a setup that is a failed second entry short while the bias in the market is bullish, and I expect new high to be tested according to trendline rule. I'm scalping 6 contracts for 12 ticks, leaving 1 contract as a runner. Stop loss has to go 1 tick below the signal bar in order for me to protect my position. And we can see we have a downtrend working lower, break new extreme, so downtrend played out. So I'm going to reset the count here. First attempt to sell, push above EMA, good sign for the bulls. Second attempt to sell above EMA, failed. Once there's a break above this bullish bar, some chinis as a failed second entry short while we traded up in this structure. So the trend is bullish and I want to follow the trend. And we have a break, so we expect new high to be tested following the trend line rule. We just need a couple more ticks. Come on, we're only halfway in. But I expect new high and the downtrend play with the break. Push to a new extreme. Right traders, so we got the scalp. I'm going to place my stop loss to break even now because the runner is going to be just a bonus. Okay, in case the momentum keeps going, the scalp is the main portion, runner is just a bonus. So if we're going to get stopped, you can see we're not going to take any loss here other than commissions. So this was a failed second entry short. Once again, I recorded another failed second entry short continuation lately, and you can see how reliable setup it is. It's fairly predictable. Once the trend is bullish, I'm looking for key entry point. I'm waiting for correction to get a clear break new extreme, and then simply push above EMA is the resumption that the buyers are about to test the new high. So even though I record these trades a lot, it's just a good trade to take advantage of. It's really simple price action rules, and it's not really complicated. It was a little bit sideways, so I was a little bit worried. It feels like you're part of the sideways action, but when I zoom out and I take into consideration the big bullish bias, it's simply too bullish, so it was a good trade to take a risk. Alright traders, and our runner just got hit, so no bonus, but we should still test the new high eventually. So market may just take a time before it's going to test the new high. We'll see how the EMA holds here.